Okay, what's the date today? March 22nd. Got a northeast gale, a bit of snow and rain coming today. Typical March day. This is a 1949 Ariel Square Four that I've been working on for about the last 12 months or so. Anyway, today, as you can see, I've got my IV hooked up to the carburetor and I'm ready to give it the first kick. I have no idea what's going to happen. So I've got my fingers crossed. My heart's kicking over like a white-tailed buck, like the song goes, you know. Anyway, wish me luck. I'm going to set this in the place. Hopefully I don't break it. There we go. Alright, let's put the choke on. See what happens. Alright, that's the choke. Pushing on. Fingers crossed. Exhaust note. Don't see any oil spewing out of it anywhere, at least not yet. Well, that's the first time this thing's been running in God knows how long. It was built from 3 different bikes, various parts, 3 different bikes. I had 2 Mark 1s like this one and a Mark 3 to work from, a few parts from the Mark 3. Not many of those parts wound up on this bike though. But, there she is. So far so good. Yeehaw.